All right, I've been living in this room for quite a while now, so I think like 6 or 7 days already, but I haven't given you guys a nice room tour before. So as you can see, I'm still in my room. Well, it's not a really big room for like 215 euros a night, so we are in the not the most last room, but one of the most last rooms. Like this, I think this is a room as well. So this is one of the last rooms. So I had to walk really far from the elevators, but it's okay. It's like you got your basic stuff over here. So we're doing a nice room tour now. So you got your vault, your basic slipper thing, and some kind of shoe sponge. You got two slippers over here, some kind of bag where you can store some stuff in it, maybe like your shorts or those kind of things. I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of cloth thing. All right, but you got some basic shoe stuff. Your locker for you can store in your passport or something like that. You got two robes, a lot of hangers. I think this is like a spare pillow or something, but I'm not sure. You got your flashlight if the power is out, and you've got a shoe horn and a brush to brush your dirty shoes. Over here we have a minibar. These are not free, so you will have to pay for it. There's a minibar items menu, so it will display all these things. I wouldn't recommend getting snacks from here. Just go to the 7-Eleven. It's just downstairs. These bottle of waters are free, so only when you consume them in the hotel. If you take them out, then they will charge you money, so don't do that. Just drink them at the hotel. And there's a mini bar over here, like the fridge. You got your vodka, your gin, your Jack Daniels, lots of soda and drinks, alcohol, and I don't know, it's like milk for your like if you fancy cappuccino, those kind of things. But then again, you don't need this stuff because you can just get everything from 7-Eleven. So I won't really recommend to get these. These are just basic drawers. Well, so I don't really need them actually. So okay, jumping to the bathroom. So you got your bathtub over here. I've never used this one, so I think it takes too much time to like actually, and I can just go to the pool where there's like a big jacuzzi, so that's even more better. So you don't have to like prepare all that water, wasting all that water for this just only a bath. But if you want to do it, just by all means, just do it. You got two towels over there, two smaller towels. Never used them actually because I always use this towel over here. And you got your big mirror over here. There's a see-through sink, so you can see all the things below. And there's like an amenity kit over here, and they have a sign: please do not smoke. 1,500 charge will apply if they smell any smoke in your room. So don't smoke in your room. That's pretty obvious. So there's an amenity kit over here, and it has pretty much high quality stuff. So I can show you, like there's like a comb. There's a comb over here unpacked, but I already used one, like this one. Look at the quality, it's quite good. It's like a wooden comb. You can't even break it. So it's not plastic, it's just wood they use, and the same goes for most of these items. So like the nail file, the shaver, I've used the shaver as well, the shaving kit, which is I think if I open the shower, this is the shaver. which is really nice quality actually. It's a bit wet, I'm sorry, but yeah, so it really is nice quality. And the same goes for the dental kit. It also is like wooden, like you know, the brush itself is like soft brushes, but the handle is like wooden, so that's really nice. Well, yeah, they have vanity kits, sanitary bag, shower cap, two dental kits when you're together with your partner, and they have some body lotion over here. So this is quite something. And there's some kind of scrub thing. I think it's a scrubber for maybe for your body. It's kind of like rough. No, I'm not sure what's it for. If you know what this is for, let me know. You got two like toilet papers, basic hair dryer. Yeah, you get your phone over here in case of an emergency, and it comes included with the body and hair wash and the conditioner, so you don't have to buy your shampoo, those kind of things. And everywhere there's like soap bars, like soap bar over here, soap bar over here. There was a soap bar over here, but I already unpacked that one. You don't need that many soap bars. You just only need one actually, so it's kind of overkill to have so many soap bars. And if I look at it, then in this bathroom, there's like graphics on the wall. Like here, there's a mirror over there. This is my swimming shorts. I swim like every day. It's really nice. There's like graphics behind the mirror, and the whole bathroom is like marble kind of look. So that's really nice. Also, the shower has like the marble look. It has a rain shower, a normal shower. I always use the normal shower. That's about it for the shower. So the door is like basically a sliding door, like this one, so you can just close the bathroom. It doesn't go all the way open, by the way. It's like there's a little bit like a space here, but yeah, that's the bathroom. And you get your basic temperature control. You can just oh, I turned it off apparently. So you have your temperature control. You can just go up, go down, whatever you fancy. The switches, like you can turn on, turn off. They do feel sturdy. So let me see. So we have like, yeah, your luggage kind of holder, so you don't have to put it on the ground. There's a lot of drawers over here. There's like boiler. I think this is like a tea presser, right? So you put some tea in it, so and you can drink some tea. Lots of tea over here. Brew coffee. I've never used this before because there is always coffee at the club lounge. So yeah, why should you drink these kind of coffee? And there's some kind of ice holder. I haven't seen a ice machine in the hallway, so maybe there is. I don't know. So I haven't seen one in those days I've stayed here. So more drawers. There's not much to see actually, so these are just drawers. My basic setup, like to edit my videos, is like a desk, really nice chair. There is a kind of a chair over here, so that's also nice. Excuse me for the bed, but yeah, I didn't make up the bed yet. There's a big mirror and on the back side. Yeah, lots of things. They have like these nice kind of things before you sleep. They just put it over here, and just a nice kind of message before you go to sleep. So and they give you like chocolate every day. I've never eaten those chocolates, but I've stayed there like already like 5 days, so they gave me 5 chocolate, and they give you actually a nice kind of cloth thing for your glasses if you have that. So and I asked them like if I could get 2 bottles of water, but they gave me 3. It was kind of overkill, so I couldn't finish 3 bottles of water in one day. But yeah, there's also a phone over here, alarm clock, which I never used. There are some USB-A ports over here, which I see it for the first time actually. I haven't used those one. There's nothing in here, and there's like a see-through window over here, which you can blind out. And well, I can show you. Like if I go to the, you can just like put it down so you don't see the bathroom during sleeping. So yeah, that's basically how it looks like, and the view, of course. And there's like this thing which you can lower the sunscreen, and which is actually nice. You know, it's like you can blind out most of the light before you go to sleep. And the view, of course, so really nice view. I think it's that's what you're paying for this hotel, like the view, the extra service. You're just really enjoying the hotel to the max. You feel like this is really a luxury kind of hotel. The room isn't that big, but the service here is really nice. So I think that's it for this room tour. I think it's a really nice hotel. Do I think it's worth it? I think it is. I've never experienced this kind of service before, so yeah, it was a nice experience for me as well. So yeah, okay, people might argue it's quite expensive, like 215 euro a night, but yeah, sometimes it's just you want to enjoy, right? So I wanted to enjoy Hong Kong in a different way instead of going cheap, so that's why I chose this hotel. I could have gone like for cheaper hotels, like for 100 a night or something, but the vibe and the experience would be different, I think. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this room tour. As always, take care of your body, enjoy your life hard, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.